Welcome to the Bruce County Library. We are going to make April's craft, and it's going to be a book corner so that you can keep your place in your books when you're reading. Now I've drawn lines on this where we're going to fold to make it a little easier for you to see. So our first fold is going to be up, make it look like a pyramid. Now our next fold is going to be to bring the top of the pyramid down so it looks like this. So you've got a diamond up here. Now we're going to fold this side in like this, and we're gonna really press hard on our folds, and this side in like this, and now it looks like an envelope. So we're gonna fold those out, and our next fold is going to be right along this. So where the flap of it comes down, we're gonna fold up to the top, and this side's going to be done the same way. Fold it up to the top. Now it looks like a diamond. So take them down, and we're going to take this, fold this, see how it's like a hinge? It goes up, and then it gets tucked in behind. It goes right down. And this side is going to go up again, and we're going to tuck it right down in behind, in like that. And there you've got a book corner. You can turn it over. You can make it into a Teenage Mutant Turtle by putting a mask on it. You can make it into the Hulk, or you could put googly eyes on it, like this little guy, and you can smile, and you've got your book corner. And he's just gonna sit on a page, just like that. And you'll know exactly where you were when you were reading. And that's all you have to do. You just start with a square.